fast-moving storm caused extensive damage and downed trees after a tornado warning was issued in parts of New Jersey. Newscopter flew over several locations in Mercer County, including Village Road and Quarter Bridge Road in West Windsor Township. Significant damage could be seen in parts of Mercer County in New Jersey after a tornado warning was issued Tuesday afternoon. Significant damage could be seen in parts of Mercer County in New Jersey after a tornado warning was issued. In total, about 100 properties were damaged and 16 residents were forced to flee their homes. Although the damage seemed to isolated, the storm was violent despite only lasted about 1 minute. Dozens of alleged trees lay on the ground. Some were uprooted and others were broken. Some of these fallen trees collapsed onto cars and houses. West Windsor Township officials said at least 10 homes were damaged by fallen trees. Other buildings had roof damage. Meanwhile, Lawrence Major John Rain called a witness news to share an update on the devastation in the area.